Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Well, this expat is, I'm still in the state of Florida, helping out my friends here at the studio. We have made quite a bit of progress. We actually had our first couple of night shows. It's a shopping channel. I can take you around and show you a little bit about what we're doing. Simply, my job here has been to set up the technical stuff, electronics, cameras, switchers, lights, a few other things, and I've been quite busy, and I kind of feel bad that I have not been able, unfortunately not been able due to workload here, not been able to put out a whole lot of videos. Hopefully this week, by the end of this week and this weekend, that should all change so we can get back on a regular schedule. And we're going to do a couple of fun things with together with my wife. We might have some talk shows, do some advisory, and go back and look at our past 9-10 months. We have reached the 1,000 subscribers, and we are really happy for that. We are trying to go a little further, obviously, and as soon as I get back, we're actually going to start traveling a little bit in the Philippines and do some more fun stuff. Being back here in the rat race, I call it the rat race. It's pretty hard when you have it. It's quite different. Let's put it that way. It's quite different from the lifestyle in Philippines and the lifestyle you have here when you have to go to work every day. Anyway, let me take you around the studio a little bit. It's still a little messy here because we're in the final phase of getting the stuff ready, but I'm going to take a little footage and put it up here while I'm talking. The shopping network that I work with is they're just starting out, and I'll take you around and so you can see a basic setup for a little shopping network. We have a couple of 3 cameras for product. I'm actually using one of the cameras, and behind me here is a green screen. You're probably going to see something different, but that's part of what we do. We use the green screen to put some products on it and put some nice backgrounds. A little bit of production tricks to make it look okay. But it's kind of fun to be back here in a sense too, but also come back here to all the political craziness, I call it. Everybody is going crazy here politically, in my view. I watched a little bit of the Robert Mueller hearing yesterday, and it was. I felt sorry for the guy. He had a hard time answering questions, and to me it looked like he didn't even write the report, but it's neither here or there. I don't have a whole lot of opinion. I can't vote in this country. I'm here on the green card, which I have been for a good part of almost 30 years, and life goes on for me, and I love the Philippines. I'm actually can't wait to get back home. It would be the greatest thing to be able to leave here and go home now. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear the background noise here. The place here is located in a mall. Actually, they have a storefront that they are in the process of setting up, and the mall is out a little bit outside Orlando, in I think it's called a Vida Mall. I don't even know where I'm at sometimes. All right, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I haven't forgot my subscribers. We are very, very excited and very grateful. I know life goes on at home. I talk to my wife 2-3 times a day, and she's been trying also to do a little bit of videos for me, so I can edit and put out a couple of videos here and there. Unfortunately, the weather in Philippines has been really, really rough, and it's been raining almost every day, and she doesn't really drive or definitely don't drive the motorcycle, so it's hard for her to get around a little bit too. So, but we're gonna get that under control here probably next week. We're gonna try to fix that. All right, so here we do have the green screen that we use for product shots. That's the chair I'm sitting in, and that's how you can get a Philippine motive or anything in the background that you even want by keying it out. So that's our green screen, some soft lights. Here from behind, I don't know if you can see it, there is 3 product cameras up here and the product stand, and that's where they're displaying a lot of the products like jewelry, coins, memorabilia, sports cards, and other things. And when it comes to antiques and bigger pieces, they always go back in here. That way we can key that thing out and make it look nice. Back here in my mess, you have the switcher control, soundboard. We have built our own video switcher, and we're using a little software called vMix. It's a great software, by the way. If somebody are interested in having that, you can get I think a 60-day free trial by going to vmix.com, I think it is. You go there and you can get a 60-day free trial if you like editing. And many bloggers out there don't really spend a whole lot of time editing and stuff, but if you want to edit, this is pretty cool. And the cool thing with this is too, you can actually stream live directly from the software, and you have a lot of stuff you can put on, graphics and layovers and images and all kinds of stuff. And here's my edit bay where I sit and edit. I have edited today. I probably edited about 3 hours worth of programming that we do replay. The channel is actually online 24 hours a day now, so we're scrambling to try to fill up. But anyway, I talked about this here before, and here they are now going to set up a little storefront, and this is how they are going to do that. And here they will sell and auction off antiques and jewelry and coins and whatnot, and this going to be a little auction hall. Seats about 30 people when it's all done and full. On the other wall there you can see a lot of boxes with a lot of antiques and other things that have come in, and that's going to go up on the wall here for display. So they're working on that. That is not my department. And the mall is pretty nice. I don't know if I've shown it to you. We can jump out the door. We don't officially have the doors open here yet, but it's a nice little mall. And over there in the corner, it's a sports memorabilia store. We're actually selling some of their products, or going to sell some of their products online. Down there is a game hall for kids, and there's a daycare center back down that way, and Sears is right across the alley. And it's kind of interesting how the mall is because it curves around and goes back, and in the center is a food court and movie theaters. And I'm not going to take time to go down there today, but I might do a little walk some days. But it's more interesting to get stuff from Philippines. I'm sure you all want to get some more stuff from Philippines, and we're going to try to accomplish that for you. So that's a little tour. So let's see what we can do. And you might wonder why we use the big TVs, but the hosts and everybody, hosting everybody, they actually use this to see what's going on and going out on the air. Let's see if I can get it turned on here for you. The big TV in the middle of the floor, our host, the show host or auctioneers are utilizing this, and let's see if I can bring up what they actually see, which is a copy of the control panel switcher, so they can see what's coming up, what's going to be sold, and so on and so forth. And so it's basically a little video switcher. I don't know if this is of interest to you, but I hope you enjoy it. All right, guys. If you are here for the first time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you will be notified when we're putting out some more videos. And like I said, when I get back to Philippines, we will get back to visiting the neighborhoods and a lot of other things. And I know we have a lot of people that actually like to see that. They either Filipinos living overseas wanting to come back home, they like to see the developments and other things, or foreigners that have, connections in Philippines, whether it's a wife or a girlfriend or whatever, and we're going to try to service that as well. Another thing, if you do have questions regarding life in Philippines, regarding a lot of practical questions that might come up if you're planning to move and so on, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate to contact us. You can contact us via our website, and the website is my first name, last name, shellganson.com. I'll put up a little banner so you can see the spelling of that. A lot of people don't understand how a K and J and E and L could be SHELL. So, but that's a Scandinavian name. All right, guys. For now, thank you. God bless, and see you next week.